If you don't like feeling stuck but still crave a burst of inspiration, then hit that subscribe button on Christian Motivationals for You. Welcome to Christian Motivationals for You, where every video is a step towards a better you. Imagine starting your day with a powerful quote that fuels your ambition, or a story of someone just like you who turned their dreams into reality. That's what we're all about, bringing you bite-sized bursts of inspiration that fit perfectly into your busy schedule. Our channel is packed with motivational shorts that illuminate paths to success, boost your confidence and energize your spirit. From overcoming failures to celebrating victories, our content is crafted to not only inspire but also to ignite action. So why subscribe? Because here with every click, you're not just watching another video. You're stepping into a world of possibility, a world where motivation is just a part of daily routine. Join us on this journey, subscribe to Christian Motivationals for You, and transform your life with every click. Plus, your subscription helps us support good causes, making the world a better place. Together, we can build a brighter future for everyone. Every subscription really helps and contributes to us being able to help people who are in need. So with your help, you help others.